Here is the Amazfit GTS for mini smartwatch. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. So you can start back over to clean slate, or you can go ahead and sell it, okay? So we're going to go ahead and just grab your watch just like this, and we're going to go to settings. We can scroll down and then look for your settings, the gear icon. If it's not here, swipe over to the left. My gear icon is right there, so let's tap on that. And now from here, we're going to scroll up all the way down to where it says system. We're going to tap on system, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom. It says factory reset. Tap on factory reset, and it says right here, factory reset will clear all the data, and you will need to rebind, basically repair it before it can be used. Sure to continue. I'm going to tap on yes. So I'm going to tap on the check mark, and now it's going to go ahead and restart, and this should only take like 15 seconds, so just be patient here. It's booting back up, and it should show the language here. Okay, so now from here we can go ahead and sell it, or we can go ahead and rebind it, basically pair it to a different device, a different phone, different tablet, or we can go ahead and you can rebind it back to the phone that you had. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to go ahead and rebind it to my same phone, my Android phone here. So I'm going to go to my Zep app here, going to open that up, and then now you can see under my devices, it still has my GTS 4 mini here. It says it's trying to connect. I didn't unpair it, okay, but no problem. Let me just pair it back. So I'm just going to tap up here, add. So I'm going to go to add, and then this is a watch here, so I'm going to tap on watch. And now I'm going to go to my watch here, and I'm going to tap on English, and I get a QR code here. So again, I'm going to go ahead and rebind it, basically repair it back to my same phone, and I'm going to tap up here where it says watch with a QR code. It has a QR code, so I'm going to tap on this right there, and I'm going to go ahead and scan this QR code, and let's see if this can repair. Let's see, give it 1 second here. Oh, it just vibrated. Okay, confirm pairing on the watch, accept the binding request. I'm going to tap on the check mark right here, and it's pairing back, it's binding. And then, okay, welcome to Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. Go to instructions. You can, I don't need to go to instructions. I'll just tap on the X right there. And then you get a little tutorial here. You can see swipe up, swipe down, just the beginning stuff, just the user guide here. And I can just tap the back right there. And you can go ahead, this is optional here. For me, I'm going to go ahead and sync those. And now you can see I am back in business. Phone is paired again. And you can see we're back in business. All right, good luck.